Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show how to export Premiere Pro to mp4. Here's the project I want to export now. Click on File, then click on Export, then click on Media. Also we can open this panel by pressing Ctrl+M on keyboard. Now select format to H.264 and this is for exporting mp4 file. Then choose presets as per your requirements. Here we can select high quality 720p, 1080p and also 4K. In this drop down you will see many different types of presets. Just choose one you need, then click on Export to export media. This is how we can export Premiere Pro to mp4. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.